and Kenya Revenue Authority officials met with the business community in Nyeri in a forum aimed at bringing together key stakeholders to discuss pertinent issues on revenue payment. KRA officials revealed that Nyeri was among the top regions that were remitting their revenues, especially from the business sector. Other regions were also encouraged to faithfully pay their taxes, as it is the only way development can be realized. The forum was dubbed the Taxpayers Month Nyeri chapter. The business community had a chance to raise concerns that they had over revenue collection. Defaulters were urged by KRA to submit their dues in line with their tagline, Kujilipa ushuru ni kujitegemea.
Sometimes, you know, we need a lot of food here.
So far, Nairobi and
Musyoka.
On behalf of the business,
ushuru ni uhuru, and countries around the world have realized that.
This country will be far. Our president will have a very easy moment to develop this country.
A portion of those taxes come to Nyeri County under the revenue sharing formula, and I think this year we have hit 4.4 billion from the revenue that is collected by KRA, which we are using to provide services.
I know Nyerians are compliant, lakini sasa pengine utuite on a Friday jioni. Sisi tunapenda hiyo mambo, alafu tusisimame sana na baiwe karibu. You're just returning something small to us. You're collecting 1.2 trillion. Surely, can't you afford 1 million for Nyeri? If we are the best paid, in fact, what I request the directors is apportion budgets dependent on how we collect, we pay. So don't give huko. Sisemi wapi 500,000, Nyeri mnatupatia 500, yet you're collecting several billions.